How can pipes be installed underground without digging up the surface? What kind of amazing equipment makes this possible? This machine is called a horizontal directional drill. It can drag hundreds of tons of pipeline underground without the need to excavate the surface. Many people wonder, how does the drill head turn while underground? It's equipped with internal sensors that adjust the drill's angle. Using a positioning and guidance system, the drill can be steered around obstacles to reach its target location. This method of pipeline installation is fast, cost-effective, and doesn't disrupt the landscape or surrounding environment. Plus, there's no worry about traffic disruptions caused by digging. It's truly a genius invention.